Chameleons lack the speed to outrun just about anything. But they pull out a proper stroke of genius by hiding in plain sight. Independently moving eyes offer an almost 360-degree panoramic view of the world, meaning the chameleon doesn't even need to move its head to scan its surroundings. Each eye feeds the chameleon with a separate monocular image. That's like having two different movies playing in its head. But the moment one eye locks onto a potential lunch, it sends stronger electrical impulses to the chameleon's brain, which forces the other eye to synchronize. This sudden switch to binocular vision boosts the chameleon's depth perception and allows it to unleash its secret weapon with pinpoint accuracy. The chameleon's tongue accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a staggering 1/100th of a second. A special form of elastic tissue, preloaded with tension and folded like an accordion, allows them to boff insects up to twice their body length away. In humans, that equates to a tongue up to 13 feet long.